I feel like the longer I stare at my eyebrows, the more different they look from each other. I need to listen. Let's start the video. Hey, cariño, I'm Nemesis. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Yeah. All right. As per usual, before we get started, let's talk about the song of the week, the moment, whatever you want to categorize this as. You know, well, I'm not posting weekly, but whatever. Let's talk about it. Okay. This week I have two songs. I'm sorry. I need to redeem myself from the foolishness that came out of my mouth on my previous video. I can't believe I really got up here in the internet and said that I just did not get Cowboy Carter by Beyonce. Listen, we live, we learn, we make mistakes, but I'm here to say that now I get it, and my apologies to Beyonce herself. My apologies. So first of all, I need to say that one of my favorite songs from the album is Most Wanted by Beyonce featuring Miley motherfucking Cyrus. I think about that song and I already want to cry because it's so beautiful. So shout out to that one. Second song of the week. I know some of you might be thinking that it's gonna be from Taylor Swift's new album, but no, that album was rough. You know what? I'm gonna shut up. Point is that not a fan, but I am a fan of this artist that I recently finally started listening to, and the song is Hard Out Here by Ray. That woman, wow, the talent oozing out of her pores, crazy. If you know, you know, and if you don't know, please go stream My 21st Century Blues by Ray. You're fucking welcome. Let's carry on. All right, so we know what we came here to do. Today we're gonna talk about Miss Curlsmith. Yeah. Miss Curlsmith is not a stranger to this channel. We actually love Curlsmith products here. In my previous video, I even mentioned like several Curlsmith products that I love. Well, to my surprise, shortly after I uploaded that video, they came out with a whole entire new formula. Recipe, as they call them. They finally came out with their volume recipe, and she's pink. It's so cute. So the new Curlsmith volumizing recipe has 6 products in total. Out of those 6, I got myself 3 of them. They have a shampoo, a conditioner, a leave-in conditioner, and 3 additional stylers. After browsing on their website, I wasn't super interested in the first 3 products I mentioned, but I got my hands on the 3 stylers, and oh my god, I've been holding myself back from using them ever since I got them because I wanted to save my first impressions for this video. So that's what we're gonna do. Y'all know that ever since I went shorter with my hair, I've been obsessed with volume. That is my #1 priority whenever I style my curls. And listen, I'm not gonna lie, my hopes, my expectations, they're high. Especially with how good the quality of Curlsmith products are. You better fucking deliver. So I'm gonna go wash this nasty little head of hair and we'll be right back to try these products. I'm so excited. All right, we're back. Hair is soaking wet. I don't know why I went so hard on this makeup though. Like, who am I trying to impress? Stop. All right, let's get into it because I am seriously so excited about using these products. These are the 3 stylers from the new recipe. First, we have a Root Boost Uplifting Spray. Second, we have a full body volumizing lotion. And last but not least, and the one that I'm most excited to try, is the Invincible Volume Mousse. I read the instructions for all 3 of them, and according to Curlsmith, we have to start with the Root Boost Spray. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm not gonna question it, I'm just gonna go for it. According to the Curlsmith website, this is made for all curl types, particularly beneficial for fine to medium lifeless hair. At me next time, Curlsmith, at me. It's a light fine mist made without a drying alcohols, good, that provides immediate visible volume and lift at the roots. It says to shake and then spray generously on the roots. Listen, I'm excited, but I'm scared. These sprays tend to be so good to me, but there are certain ones that can leave like a weird little residue that is not nice by 2nd or 3rd day hair. Let's test it out. There we go. Oh, that is not the finest mist. Ooh, it smells very good, but heavily scented. Heavily scented. It actually reminds me of the Fable and Mane fragrance. All right, let's spray generously on our roots, shall we? Oh, it's not a fine mist at all. It's more like a laser spray, you know? I don't know if I'm supposed to like rub it in. It doesn't say to rub it in, so We're just gonna spray it kind of everywhere around the roots. I'm spraying her on my roots, also in the back, because I do tend to forget that part of my head. Let me actually see what this looks like. It's kind of clear, right? But it doesn't feel like water. It actually feels like, I don't know how to describe this, kind of like a sticky oil. No. Yeah, it's almost as if you took like a very liquidy gel and you melted it completely until it's at its most liquid form. Like there's some grit to this, there's some stickiness to it, which I mean, I guess is good. That's probably what adds that grit to like add some texture and volume at the roots. Okay. Let's carry on. I'm gonna smell so good by the end of this washing. Okay, next, now we're gonna use the volumizing lotion. On the hold scale that all Curlsmith products have at the bottom, this is a 2. Oh, forgot to mention, the Root Boost is at a 4. It's described as a unique formula that creates natural movement and body while also providing weightless, airy definition to your curls, and even better, doesn't leave your hair feeling sticky. I wonder what makes this volumizing though. Like creams are usually not volumizing at all. There are some crazy claims in here saying that the volumizing lotion increases volume by 68%. What does that even mean? You know what? Let's just do it. Let's just use it. Let's just get onto it. Oh, okay, hold on. My hair is starting to like air dry and I can feel the root product kind of setting. Okay. I get distracted. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, this is what the cream texture looks like. It's quite runny. Kind of reminds me of the other like volumizing one that they have, but slightly thicker. The other one from Curlsmith that I like, that I'm forgetting the name right now, I'll just pop a picture. Like when I rub it, it disappears. This is more substantial. This has more to it. It looks like Elmer's glue, but it doesn't feel like that. Okay, let's do a little test run. Let's just put it everywhere here. Yeah, my hair just like slurp all of that up. And what I mean by that is that it doesn't feel like I have anything on my hair. So that probably means that it's just very weightless. I'm gonna put more though, because I literally don't feel slip on my hair. Yeah, maybe I should have bought the leave-in conditioner. Oh well. Okay, now with that second application, now I actually feel it and I hear it. Now I know that I have to apply quite a bit if I really want to feel it on my hair. Again, now on the other side, ew, oh, it's just hair. Here we go. Oh, by the way, it has the same scent as the Root Boost spray, but way less concentrated. Also, my hair is growing very fast. Like, how is it down to my boobs now? I feel like I just had a haircut. Speaking of haircut, like I have been itching so badly to go back to the salon. Oh, I'm itching so bad. Like I want to go back to a bob so badly, but no, I'm not gonna do it. You know why? Time to be real. Confession time. I only like my bob when she's straight. Probably the only straight thing I like. When it's curly, I don't love it. I know I get compliments when I have my little curly bob, but me personally, I only like it when I have it like this, like a blowout. Ooh, I feel like a perra. Uy, se ve sexy. Me siento como villana de telenovela. When it's curly, I don't like it. Or like, I don't like it as much in comparison to how beautiful my curls look when my hair is longer. That's the only reason why I'm growing it out. Anyways, okay, yeah, this lotion, it feels weightless, but if you actually like feeling some slip on your hair, definitely add more product. I'm gonna do some low-key brush styling just to disperse the product as much as possible. Of course, using the good old reliable Bounce Curl Defining Brush, the best of the best. Nobody's like her. They keep trying to imitate this damn brush, but no, there's literally just nothing like it. Okay, now the moment we've all been waiting for, at least I have during this entire fucking thing. Okay, it's time to use the Invincible Volume Mousse, which I'm gonna be so fucking for real. My expectations are high. I already said it, but like I need to reiterate that I have all my hopes and dreams riding on this. I expect this to be my new favorite styler, point blank period. Like the description of it alone has me on a chokehold. But let's see what Curlsmith says about this. Okay, yada is specifically for curly hair. Obviously it's Curlsmith. What the fuck? Why would they even need to say, you know what? All right, yeah, formulated again without any drying alcohols. It has a transformative texture that offers the definition and hold of a gel with the lightweight feel of a moisturizing mousse, which is nothing new because the Verb curling, what was it? Foaming gel was a foaming gel, right? Yeah, it was a foaming gel. That one, beautiful. It was a beautiful, beautiful product. And it was kind of like the same, I don't know, concept. But listen, I love Curlsmith way more than Verb. So again, my hopes and dreams. It says that it will leave curls looking bigger, thicker, and bouncier. I want that for my ass too. Anyways, this sumptuous mousse delivers body and fullness that lasts up to 72 hours. Girl. According to the directions too, it says to apply to damp hair from root to length, distributing evenly throughout sections of the hair. Okay. I'm gonna follow instructions, because if this doesn't work, y'all can't say, oh, it's because you didn't follow the directions. Yada, yada. Let's pump this. I already shook it. Oh, it's growing. Okay. Yeah, she comes out completely liquid and then it kind of expands like a foam or a mousse. Whoa, that is... This feels like legitimately fluff. It feels exactly like fluff. Whoa. I'm scared and I'm excited. I'm excited and I'm scared. Oh, this feels wrong. It's a lot, but I'm gonna follow instructions. What did I say? Root to tip. Okay. Was this too much? Oh shit. It might have been too much. I'm just gonna put on what I have on this hand. I'm not gonna put on what I have on this one. Okay, after doing it, ooh, okay, definition. Okay, yeah, I feel it fully dispersed in this section. Okay, it's very scary at first because it's very thick, bro. It felt like I was putting like thick paste on my hair, and that's no nice. That's no. But okay, I need to level out the playing field here because I feel like I put on a lot on this side and then I barely have any for this. So I'm gonna pump out a little bit more. Ooh, like that. I need you guys to see that, like, it almost feels like a very thick cream. Like, it doesn't feel like a foam at all. Like, it's not bubbly. Anyways, we're just gonna work it in, okay? We're just gonna work it in. Bro, imagine that after all of this, my hair still gives mop. Imagine. Okay, that's it. 3 styling products. My hair definitely feels like, oh, we're working with a lot today. Got it. I'm gonna do a tiny baby micro plop using my bounce curl mitten. Try to absorb any excess product or excess moisture. Oh, and on the whole scale, this is a 6. So we'll see. We're done with the styling portion. Let's diffuse this mother. I'm scared that it's still gonna give Flatiana. Only one way to find out. Be right back. And we're back. Notice anything different about me? Lifeless hair who? Lifeless hair who, Curlsmith? Yeah. Let's talk about it. Let's dive deep into these results. First, get a glimpse, make your conclusions. What do you think? Do you like this? Do you think this reflects the expectations that were set by Curlsmith claims? I think yes. I think yes. I think this is a really good, healthy amount of volume for me since I am such a flat rude bitch. Regular products wouldn't have been able to give me this amount of volume. For me to achieve this type of volume, I would either have to add at the end a volumizing and texture spray, such as the Living Proof one that I've shown many times in this channel, or something else, something similar to that, and I didn't. All I did was use those 3 products. I am pleased. This looks very beautiful. Now, there's always a now, there's always a but. I think either the products are a bit sticky when they're all put together, or I applied too much, which is very possible because this is the very first time that I'm trying these products. I haven't played with them enough. I might have done too much. Yeah, now I'm thinking back to how much lotion I actually put on and how much I sprayed. Like, I sprayed a lot. I gave myself like 20 spritzes of this, and then you saw how thick this damn, I feel weird calling this a mousse because it almost feels like a thick cream, but yeah, this mousse. So I like it, but I'm not obsessed with it yet because I can for sure feel the product on my hair. When I do this, like I feel the product. If you've ever experienced that, you know exactly what I mean. Regardless of these things, my results are beautiful. I do have a healthy amount of volume, and I am excited to keep playing with these products, honestly, especially Miss Guerra. And also for them being volumizing products, I feel like the amount of definition that I got from it, very decent, honestly. It's nice. In conclusion, I do like the line. I'm excited to keep playing with it, but definitely beware, especially if you have fine to medium hair. Don't go crazy with the amount of product that you use because you will regret it. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think of these results. Have you picked up the volume line? Are you gonna pick it up? Or are you like, meh, it kind of sounds like very similar to other products in the market. Let me know what you think. But okay, I'm done yapping. Thank you so much for watching till the end. You're a motherfucking real man. And if you would like to follow up with me, why am I holding this like a mic? And if you would like to follow up with me between uploads, please feel free to follow me on Instagram at nemesismary06 or on TikTok at nemesismary_06. But most importantly, girls, boys, gender non-binaries, have a great rest of your day. Bye.